Hey guys, Jacob from Trucks and Toys. We've got a brand new Ram 26 model in front of us today. So this is the new shape. Does have the split headlights, which you can tell by the front. So the big change with these trucks are the 8-speed auto. 8-speed auto and the redesigned 6.7 litre Cummins, which these trucks drive incredibly smooth with the new ZF. Now, these trucks are new to the market, so we've only probably done about 15 to 20 builds on these trucks, but we thought we'd do a video on this one. This is probably one of my more favourite looks. I love the clean and classy look with no front bar, but still has all the off-road capabilities. And if you come across a stuck Land Cruiser, we do have the hidden winch in here, which you can pull it out. The beauty of this hidden winch is it keeps it all clean and classy. Bolts in behind the bar, no changes. You can get to the free spool handle by putting your hand up underneath through the intercooler slot. Works super clean, works super easy. Yeah, mainly only used for pulling Land Cruisers that I've been told by customers, but yeah, walk around the side. This truck does have the wider offset wheels, so we are running the smooth color-coded bushwhacker flares. For wheels, we have gone the brand new Method 709 with the forged impact ring. The beauty of these rings are if you're off-road, you scrape them, you can replace these rings, or say you're down the track, you want a different look on your truck, you can pull them off or paint it, or buy the different colored ones from Method. Now, one of the coolest parts of this truck is it is running the full Carli suspension catalog in the 3.0 Dominator kit. The perfect part about the Dominator kit, it has the right size shock for if you're going to go serious off-road, hit corrugations, dirt roads, continuous. These are a 3-inch piston shock. The beauty of the 3-inch piston is more oil volume in the shock. There's more damping control by having a larger piston, so we can run different valving to control the mass of the vehicle and how it moves. So in the front consists of the 3-inch Dominator shocks, the Carli coils. It is running the high and low steering stabilizers as well as the radius arm and drop boxes to achieve the 3.25 lift and keep the caster correct so it steers straight on the road. On the front and back, we are running our kickback mud flaps. The beauty of these mud flaps are with the wider offset wheel, as you turn, they do come in a bit more, and on a standard mud flap, they do rip off or scrape. These allow it to kick back, still run a mud flap, so you keep all the stuff off the side, but you know, it still looks good too. So these are an alloy bracket with either the nylon bottom or the rubber mud flap, depending on what you choose. Up top, we are running a GVM UHF as well as some smoked roof lights on the top, since this truck didn't come with them from factory. Now around the rear, another really cool thing on this truck, it has our brand new axle diff brace. So this is going for a 5750 GVM. So it's a whole new brace that picks up left and right of the axles. Now, back to the Carli kit, this is the Dominator kit. So if you have a look in here, you'll see the shocks are actually on the outside of the chassis rail, so just in here. Now, being a 3-inch body shock, they can't fit in the OME location. So what we've had to do is, this is part of the Carli kit, is weld on new mounts. It is running the brand new Carli rear track bar as well as a full rear air suspension with that GVM. So if you've got a new Ram in the market for some parts and accessories, give us a buzz and we can help you out.